What if the biggest threat to your engine isn't high mileage, hard driving, or even missing an oil change? What if it's the oil you're using right now? Most drivers have no idea they're slowly destroying their engines every time they turn the key. The scary part, the damage happens silently. No warning lights, no strange noises, no obvious symptoms, just thousands of tiny metal surfaces wearing away day after day until one morning you're staring at a repair bill worth thousands of dollars. And by then, it's already too late. That's why today we're exposing the truth about synthetic oil, because what you're about to learn could save your engine, your wallet, and years of unnecessary headaches. For decades, drivers have argued over one question. Is synthetic oil actually better, or is it just an expensive marketing trick? The answer is simple. Modern engines have changed dramatically, but many drivers haven't changed with them. Today's engines run hotter, produce more power from smaller sizes, use turbochargers, direct injection systems, and tighter tolerances than ever before. That means they demand more from their oil than older engines ever did. And that's where the real difference begins. Every time you start your vehicle, your engine enters its most dangerous moment. Most engine wear happens during startup. Before oil fully circulates, critical components are briefly left vulnerable. During those few seconds, metal parts can make contact, creating wear that slowly accumulates over the life of the engine. Synthetic oil flows faster, reaches critical components sooner, and begins protecting your engine almost immediately. It may sound like a small advantage, but over 100,000 miles, those extra seconds of protection add up to a massive difference in engine health. Now let's talk about heat, because heat is the silent killer hiding under every hood. Whether you're stuck in rush hour traffic, towing a trailer, climbing steep grades, or driving through extreme summer temperatures, your engine is generating incredible heat. Conventional oil begins breaking down under these harsh conditions. As it deteriorates, it loses its ability to protect internal components. Synthetic oil is engineered specifically to survive these extreme temperatures. It maintains its protective properties longer, resists breakdown, and continues lubricating when conventional oil starts losing the fight. But here's the problem most drivers never see coming. Sludge. Mechanics hate sludge because they know exactly how destructive it can be. Sludge forms when oil degrades and leaves thick deposits throughout the engine. Over time, these deposits clog oil passages, restrict lubrication, increase operating temperatures, and slowly suffocate the engine from the inside out. By the time symptoms appear, expensive damage may already be occurring. Synthetic oil dramatically reduces sludge formation, helping keep your engine cleaner mile after mile. And a cleaner engine is usually a longer-lasting engine. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people. Synthetic oil can actually save money. Most drivers focus on the higher price at the checkout counter. That's a mistake. The real cost isn't the oil change. The real cost is engine wear, fuel consumption, and repair bills. Better lubrication means less friction. Less friction means less wear. Less wear means fewer repairs. Many synthetic oils also allow for longer service intervals, meaning fewer oil changes over time. Suddenly, that higher upfront cost doesn't look so expensive anymore. In fact, it can become one of the smartest investments you make in your vehicle. And if your car has a turbocharger, pay close attention, because this could save you thousands. Turbochargers operate in brutal conditions. They spin at astonishing speeds while generating intense heat. These conditions place enormous stress on engine oil. Conventional oil can struggle to survive inside a turbocharged engine, leading to carbon deposits, restricted lubrication, and premature turbo failure. A failed turbocharger can cost thousands of dollars to replace. Synthetic oil provides the high-temperature protection these systems desperately need. That's why so many manufacturers recommend or require synthetic oil for turbocharged vehicles. Now let's destroy one of the biggest myths in automotive history. Some people still believe synthetic oil causes leaks in older engines. That myth refuses to die, but modern synthetic oils are completely compatible with older vehicles. In fact, many high-mileage synthetic formulas contain special additives designed to help maintain aging seals and reduce oil consumption. For countless older vehicles, switching to synthetic oil can actually improve engine protection rather than create problems. But there's one mistake that can erase many of these benefits: using a cheap oil filter. The filter is just as important as the oil itself. Poor quality filter may become clogged, lose efficiency, or allow contaminants to continue circulating through the engine. That's why experienced mechanics always recommend pairing premium oil with a high-quality filter. Together they create the protection your engine needs to survive hundreds of thousands of miles. So here's the bottom line. If your goal is maximum engine life, fewer repairs, better protection, cleaner internals, improved reliability,